Welcome to our exploration of the role of climate change in increasing the frequency of droughts. As global temperatures continue to rise, the very foundations of our climate are shifting, leading to unprecedented challenges in water availability and ecosystem health. In this video, we will delve into the various factors contributing to this growing crisis, from altered precipitation patterns to the expansion of subtropical dry zones. Join us as we examine how these climate-driven changes impact everything from snowpack levels to forest health, and discover the critical feedback loops that exacerbate the situation. 1. Rising global temperatures. Rising global temperatures are a key factor in the intensification of drought conditions. As the Earth warms, evaporation rates increase, leading to drier soils and reduced water availability. Imagine a sponge left out in the sun. It quickly loses moisture and becomes hard and brittle. Similarly, higher temperatures cause the land to lose moisture, exacerbating drought conditions. This is particularly concerning for regions that rely heavily on rain-fed agriculture, where crops suffer from a lack of water, leading to reduced yields and threatening food security. 2. Altered precipitation patterns. Climate change has a significant impact on precipitation patterns, making some regions wetter and others drier. This uneven distribution of rainfall creates prolonged dry spells, especially in areas already vulnerable to drought. Picture a seesaw, where one side becomes heavier while the other rises. Similarly, wet regions experience more rainfall, while dry regions face longer droughts. This shift in rainfall patterns poses a serious challenge for water management, as communities struggle to cope with unpredictable water supplies. 3. Expansion of subtropical dry zones. As global temperatures rise, subtropical dry zones are expanding, moving closer to the poles. This shift increases aridity in regions like the Mediterranean, southern United States, and parts of Africa. It is akin to the desert slowly creeping into areas that were once lush and fertile. This expansion of dry zones threatens biodiversity and agricultural productivity, making it increasingly difficult for local populations to sustain their livelihoods. The changing climate is reshaping the landscape, affecting both natural ecosystems and human settlements. 4. Reduction in snowpack. Warmer winters result in less snow accumulation in mountainous regions, which has significant implications for water availability. Many areas rely on melting snowpack as a critical source of fresh water during dry months. Imagine relying on a savings account that is gradually running dry. Similarly, reduced snowpack means less water stored for future use. This reduction not only affects water supply but also impacts ecosystems and agriculture, as rivers and streams that depend on snowmelt experience lower flows. 5. Changes in weather systems. Climate change alters jet streams and atmospheric circulation patterns, leading to disruptions in normal weather conditions. This can result in extended periods without rainfall in some regions, creating favorable conditions for droughts. Think of it as a conveyor belt that suddenly stops moving, leaving certain areas without the rain they desperately need. These changes in weather systems pose challenges for predicting and managing water resources, as traditional patterns become less reliable. 6. Increased soil degradation. Heat stress and reduced moisture levels contribute to soil degradation, making it harder for the ground to retain water during rain events. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes. The soil becomes less capable of absorbing and holding onto water. This degradation not only affects agriculture but also reduces the land's ability to support plant and animal life. As soils degrade, the risk of desertification increases, further exacerbating the impact of droughts on the environment. 7. Forest loss and deforestation. The loss of forests due to climate-induced wildfires or human activity has a significant impact on drought conditions. Forests play a crucial role in retaining moisture, and their removal reduces the land's ability to hold water. Imagine a sponge that has been cut into pieces. It can no longer soak up as much water as before. Deforestation not only worsens drought conditions but also releases stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to further climate change. 8. Warming oceans. Beaverton's rising sea surface temperatures have a profound effect on atmospheric moisture levels, influencing rainfall patterns. Warmer oceans can reduce the likelihood of rain in certain areas, exacerbating drought conditions. It's like turning down the faucet in a kitchen sink. Less water flows, leaving the basin dry. This change in ocean temperatures highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's systems, where changes in one area can have far-reaching consequences for others. 9. Higher water demand. Increased evaporation and human water use for agriculture and industry place greater stress on water resources, intensifying the effects of droughts. Imagine a balloon that is being filled with air. As more and more is added, the balloon becomes stretched and fragile. Similarly, higher water demand strains already limited resources, making it difficult for communities to meet their needs. This pressure on water supplies underscores the importance of sustainable water management in the face of climate change. 10. Feedback loops. Beaverton's urban planning focuses on weather readiness and sustainability. The city has implemented green building standards that prioritize energy efficiency and resilience. Beaverton's parks and green spaces are designed to manage stormwater effectively, reducing the risk of flooding. The city's commitment to public transportation and pedestrian-friendly infrastructure ensures that residents can navigate the city safely, even during adverse weather conditions. Beaverton's comprehensive approach to urban planning makes it a model city in weather resilience. In conclusion, these 10 cities in Oregon showcase a remarkable ability to handle extreme weather with grace and resilience. Each city has adopted unique strategies and initiatives tailored to its specific climate challenges, setting an example for others to follow.